Okay, here's the Logan 200. Be sure to check the listing out on Craigslist Boston. Here I got the top up here because it keeps tension off the leather drive belt. Right now it's set for the slowest speed. We have the 3-jaw chuck. Got our threading wheel. Got our tail stock. And also here is the live center that I found. That's included. Now we'll run this guy. We'll bring the top down. Okay, there we go. Go forward. Now for threading, got to engage the drive screw down below. Do that here. Bring this handle up. There. When that's engaged, now we can set to reverse. Here's a look at our threading wheel. See that it's turning slowly. Just pick a point. Engage the knob here. And then it's turning by itself and cutting threads. And you just keep doing that. Bring this guy in each time, and that's it. Okay, again, check the listing on Craigslist Boston.